Welcome to today's exercise, the Standing Bicep Curl to Shoulder Press with Resistance Band. This exercise primarily targets your biceps, while also engaging your shoulders for added strength and stability in your upper body. Let's focus on perfecting your form to maximize your results and minimize the risk of injury. To start, stand tall with your feet shoulder width apart. Place the middle of the resistance band under both feet, holding the handles or ends of the band with your palms facing forward. Begin by curling the band upward towards your shoulders. Keep your elbows close to your body and avoid swinging your arms. Focus on contracting your biceps as you lift, aiming for a controlled movement, and do not let your elbows drift forward. Once you reach the top of the curl, transition directly into the shoulder press by rotating your wrists so your palms face forward, and press the band overhead until your arms are fully extended. Ensure that your shoulders remain relaxed and do not shrug up towards your ears. Slowly lower the band back to the starting position, first lowering to the curl and then to the resting position, making sure to control the descent and maintain tension in your muscles. Inhale as you curl and exhale as you press. This will help you maintain your energy throughout the exercise. Aim for 12 to 15 repetitions, ensuring you focus on form and control throughout each movement.